This is 100-liter vacuum emulsifying machine. By electric heating, bottom homogenizer. Now I introduce you the parts of the machine. This one is main port. This platform, electric case, oil port, and water port. This is the port lid. This one is the vacuum brake. This is the light. This one is the fragrance feeder. This is the vacuum suction inlet. This one is the vacuum pressure meter. Now, I show you the operation. Before the operation, you have to do some preparations. Firstly, for the vacuum pump, you need to connect the water. This one is the water inlet to the vacuum pump. This is the water outlet. So, firstly, you need ensure the water connect to the vacuum pump. This one is the air pipe to the vacuum pressure meter. OK， 把这个打开。来帮一下你。打开。Secondly, you need to fill the water into this tank. This one, the water level is 2/3. This level is to, this water is to protect the homogenizer. Before the heating, you also need to fill the water into this main port jacket, as this one is by the electrical heating. This is the cooling water inlet. You need to open the valve from here, and then connect the cooling water to fill into this jacket. After the water is full, there will be water flow out from this outlet. Then you can start heating. This is the control panel of the machine. Now I show you the operation. Firstly, you need to start the vacuum. The vacuum function is to deforming. Now you need to close all the valve. Close all the valve. 关所有阀门. And only open this valve is to collect the air pipe. Now you can hear you press the vacuum pump by the green button. You can observe the pressure here. When it is reached to the 0.05, you can stop the vacuum pump by this one, and then close this valve. So you can see the port inlet is the vacuum condition. When it is under the vacuum, you cannot lift the port lid. Now you adjust the temperature. Push this here. You can see the setting temperature is 53. You can increase and decrease by screw this. When you screw to the lower, now it is 21. That means the setting temperature is lower than the real temperature. This light will be on red. Now we increase. This light will be on, so it is the correct, and then push this to the left. Now, as there is low water in the jacket, you just observe the currency change. Now I press this emulsifier heating. You can observe the change. Now it is changing. Okay, the oil and water tanks are the same setting, but the oil and the water tank, the jacket is the conductivity oil as the substance. Now I show you the mixer. The green button, this is the vacuum. The green button is the start button. Press this one and screw the frequency control to adjust the speed. To the right direction is to increase the speed, and press run.
先按绿色的，再旋钮。
Now increase.
啊，那么英文念啥？转的。就是
不是运行的意思。
When you want to stop, screw to 0 and then press the homogenizer. Press the green button and adjust the homogenizing time. This one is the actual working time of the homogenizer, and this is the setting time. You can click to increase and decrease. The unit is second, and press run here. Then screw the speed. We want to stop. Screw to 0 and then stop this. Okay. Now we want to stop the machine and lifting up the machine. You have to release the vacuum in the port. The vacuum. You can see the pressure meter to 0. Now we can lifting up the port by press this hydraulic lift. Now I can show you the homogenizer working again. I press here and run. Adjust. To the fast. Now I show you the oil mixer and the water mixer. This is the water tank. This is the oil tank. Now it's okay to stop this one. This one is the light. This is the switch emergency stop. Okay, now